Welcome to Objectify Technologies, India's leading additive manufacturing engineering service provider for metal and polymer technologies. Commonly known as 3D printing. Founded in 2013 at IIT Kanpur's Incubation Center by a group of young engineers. The company aims to provide a facelift to the current manufacturing processes in the country by making it much more digital, leaner, and sustainable. Objectify provides 3D printing designing, material development and manufacturing services to industries ranging from aerospace, defense, automotive, oil and gas, dye and mold, and healthcare, among others, doing low-volume, high-value critical production for both new product development prototypes to direct end-use parts. Objectify's 360-degree solutions starts from designing lightweight and complex geometries, which brings a long-term value proposition to the user in terms of fuel efficiency, longer life, and lower failure rates. Apart from designing, Objectify does application-specific material process parameter development for niche superalloys like Inconel, titanium, niobium, copper, cobalt chrome and steel and different polymer composites. Our team with the developed designs and process technology manufactures the part through additive manufacturing. The part is manufactured using a minimum amount of materials and with high accuracy and precision. Post-processing activities are done to achieve a quality finish, from stress relieving using heat treatment to removing supports and finishing of the part to its final dimension using a CNC milling machine. The quality of the part is ensured before dispatch by our quality control team, using geometric dimensioning and tolerancing. The final products with complex designs and lower lead time are used in different industries starting for defense, aerospace, oil and gas, automotive and healthcare. Objectify is taking ahead the Industry 4.0 revolution in India and helping the Indian high-end manufacturing industries grow. Our 3D printing services provide the partners crucial advantages in terms of part quality and sustainability. Therefore, we aim to be the AM partner for the global manufacturing industries. Contact Objectify Technologies for high-quality and sustainable additive manufacturing services, which offers your company a much-needed competitive advantage with vastly improved efficiency and productivity.